All right, and in news coming in, a single-engine plane made an emergency landing on a busy street in Georgia. This was shortly after takeoff due to engine trouble. The aircraft struck three vehicles. No serious injuries, though, were reported. The pilot landed the plane shortly after takeoff, reportedly due to engine issues, as I mentioned earlier. Investigators say the plane did not have enough power to make it back to the airport and was forced to land, hitting three vehicles. Investigations, of course, are underway.
Dramatic visuals indeed. If you just look at your screens, viewers, I do want to bring in Akanksha into the conversation once again. Akanksha, an emergency landing on this busy street in Georgia. Tell us a little bit about what we know so far and fingers crossed, hopefully no casualties.
Right, Christine, what we're being told so far, there have been no casualties, nobody's been seriously hurt, but the visuals will play out. Of course, as you can see, it's an emergency landing and a wild emergency landing rather that. The plane, in fact, hit several vehicles, three as we are being told. It's a single engine plane crash that landed on this very busy street in Gainesville in Georgia. And the pilot landed the plane shortly after takeoff. Apparently, what's being reported is that it was only due to engine issues and the plane did not have enough power. And so it's really strange that it was shortly after takeoff that it crashed because it did not have even power that could help it to make it back to the airport. And so the single engine plane was forced to land. At the moment, what we are also being told is that the Federal Aviation Administration and National Transportation Safety Body are currently investigating this crash. But these kind of wild emergency landings have been on the rise in the United States, and that continues to, in fact, catch our attention as well.
Yeah, could have been far worse. Thank you so much, Akanksha, though, for joining us with that update.
All right, and with that,